Squall, wait!
What is it?
Is it another summon?
I think so. Maybe we should split up.
I see where you're coming from, but...
How far?
It's closer than the other one.
I'll keep going after this one.
What?
Hold on! You're gonna go alone?
It'll be easier that way. Don't worry, I won't do anything stupid.
Squall!
Good luck with yours.
Thanks. See you soon.
Never thought lightning was the motherly type.
Squall's not the only one who needs looking after.
You're right. Someone needs to keep me in line too.
I'm up to the task.